Good day, farmers. Just wanted to show you an update. Right now, we've just fixed a little bit of the leak here for now, but we have talked about how we're going to correct this leak, and it's going to be worked on once the builder comes back on site. So the things that we have done is, as I said, we removed the door from the other side and we have bricked it up. As you can see through there, we've now bricked that section up, and we have added this additional wall so that we can able to put, and we've added the door. The door has moved side. It's now on the opposite side. It's now through the entrance of the chickens. I'm sorry, of the ducks. So this is where those road runners will come. As you can see, there is this setup that we have right now where they've been laying in these tires. We are going to build in this area the place for them to put eggs. As I said, my goal probably, or my aim, is to make sure that we probably start our own hatchery. All these chickens, as you can see, I am going to take them. I'm going to move them from here to somewhere else. But for now, they can stay here, and our goal is just to make sure that we finish this off, and hopefully in the next week or so this project will then be finished. We would have removed the chickens, removed everything, repositioned everything. As you see, we have already built the walls. This fence needs to be removed. This mesh wire, will remove it, put proper fence, and then mesh it up and then plaster it. So as I promised this, and then we're going to obviously add the additional corrugated sheets that we removed. We are going to make sure that this place becomes at least able for them to sit comfortably. So we are in a process. This process is ongoing, and it's not very. Today we had quite a shock whereby 4 of these kids just all died at the same time. We don't even know what just happened. They all just started frothing in their mouth and they all died. So we actually think they probably ate something, but we are shocked that if they'd ate something, the other ones are still surviving. No one has got anything, because we had a problem with rats. Also, these are also the challenges you get. We have rats. The rats, you give them poison, they will die. After they've died, where are they going to die in? They died in the middle of this. One of the other chickens decided that it's good food. Once it also ate the rat, it also got poisoned. It also died. So the decisions that you've got to make, putting rat traps will not help, because the rats will not look at those traps as anything useful. They are more interested in good food which really tasty for them. So they end up eating. They will obviously want to eat the same food as the chickens, and if not that, they will also want to eat the baby chicks. So as I said, these ones are on their way out, and when they go out, we will then start totally afresh here, and we will go into the next process. This is mainly the process that we are in. This is the next project that I said that I was working on, and we are actually doing as per said in the project. We are working on it. We need to remove all this timber, and put proper timber, so that they do not, like, as you can see, this one has already been consumed by termites, and it means that it will not last long if we were to reuse this. So this is timber that needs to be replaced. So we will be looking at that in the next week or so, and then we will then finish off this process. But I'm happy with the progress that we are at, and where we are going with this project, and I hope that it will achieve the final things that we wanted to achieve. The ducks, at the present moment, they're laying eggs, so we are expecting some already actually sitting on the eggs now, and I know for a fact there's one which is more on this side that will